What's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shaniece Jones and I'm a pro closet organizer here in Los Angeles, California. And in this video, I'm going to give you 5 ways that you can take care of your handbags. Number 1, using purse pillows. They are lifesavers. Purse pillows help you keep the shape and form of your bag. Container Store has wonderful options. You can go on Amazon or you can just do a simple Google search purse pillows and see what options you want. They come in different sizes and varieties. And also, if you don't want to use a purse pillow, you can actually use something that's very accessible to you in your closet. Whether it's a towel that you can roll up and stuff your bag with, or if it's a sweater that is out of season that you can roll up and stuff in your bag as well. Now you can also use tissue paper. However, I do not recommend using any type of colored tissue paper that can bleed into your bag. That would totally ruin it. Or newspaper. Newspaper has ink on it, and as you know, over time as newspaper gets old, the ink will eventually run and that will end up running into your bag. So we do not want that to happen. Now I'll give you a little story. I can actually do a video on this maybe later on, but I used to work at Coach while I was in high school. And you know, Coach uses certain tissue, like white tissue paper, to stuff their bags to keep the shape of them out on the floor. So I'll give you guys a tip and show you how to do that if you want to use tissue paper. And there's a way to kind of make it fluffy enough so that it fits the shape and size of the bag. Number 2, store your bags on shelves. Now Container Store has an awesome acrylic handbag hanger that you can use to store bags in your closet. I do not recommend hanging your bags because over time there will be wear and tear on the straps and you don't want that to happen to your bag. So I do recommend storing your bags on shelves if you have the space to do so. However, if you have to store them in your closet and hang them, I do recommend using the Container Store's acrylic handbag hanger because it is very durable and it's thick enough where it won't cause too much wear and tear on your handbags. Number 3, bring your bag to a shoe repair or a leather cleaner. It's like washing your bag, but not as often as you wash your clothes. They can condition your bag and they can buff it out a little bit so that way it keeps its luster and its sheen as if you just bought the bag. Number 4, use a bag organizer. There's a website that I will drop down in the description called samorga.com. They are amazing. Now they have these organizers based on the type of bag that you have, the designer bag that you have, as well as the size of the bag that you have. So it's pretty much custom to the bag that you are trying to place the organizer inside of. So I do recommend using a bag organizer because not only will it protect your bag from potential spills or damage, like if you're like me and a little bit clumsy, there's an opportunity that maybe your makeup will spill over in your bag or you may spill a drink because you're moving too fast. You never know what can happen. So I do recommend using a bag organizer so that it can protect the interior of your bag. Number 5, spray your bag with rain and stain repellent. And if you have a suede bag, I recommend using Scotchgard on your bag. This is just some preventative measures to protect your bag should you accidentally spill anything on the outside of the bag. So let's just do a quick recap of the 5 ways that you can protect your bag. 1 is to stuff your bag with purse pillows or tissue paper or a pillow that you can find at your local craft store for under $5. Number 2 will be to store your bags on shelves, but if you are forced to store them in the closet, be sure to use the Container Store's acrylic handbag hanger. Number 3, bring your bag to a shoe repair or a leather cleaner so that they can condition your bag and keep its luster and sheen as if you just bought it. Number 4 would be to use a bag organizer. Remember the website samorga.com. And the 5th and final step was to use a stain and rain repellent on your bag, and if you're using suede, to use Scotchgard. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, this is where I hang out with all my peeps, so make sure you subscribe so that way we can spend more time right here on this channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.